If Snapchat music or audio is not working on your Android device, start by checking your phone's volume and ensure it's not on silent or do not disturb mode. Sometimes audio issues can be caused by Bluetooth devices also. Disconnect any Bluetooth speakers or headphones to see if that helps. Also make sure your media volume, not just ringtone, is turned up. Next, check if the problem is with a specific feature like music stickers or general sound playback in snaps, etc. If audio is not working across the app, go to your phone settings, then apps, app management, or manage app depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on it, tap on permissions, and ensure that the app has microphone access. You should also try clearing the Snapchat app cache from settings. Go to your phone settings, then apps, manage apps depends on your phone model. It can be app management. Then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on it, tap on storage, and then clear cache. Make sure the app is up to date, updated to the latest version, as bugs related to sound issues are often fixed in updates. If all else fails, restart your phone or uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. This process often resolves underlying software glitches causing audio problems. So that's it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.